Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Alpine Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class. Firstly, I will remind you once again that in the previous video lectures, we have done some exercises, and in this video lecture, we are going to discuss the remaining exercises of chapter 3rd. So students, let's start. Firstly, let me remind you once again that I have given you an exercise and the question number is H. I have given this as HW to you. Students, you have to write, are these abstract nouns? Write yes or no. I have told you that what an abstract noun are. So firstly we will discuss about what an abstract nouns are. So nouns such as wish, permissions and happiness name ideas, the quality of things and feelings. Such nouns are called abstract nouns. Students, there are some nouns which names the idea or quality of the things and also the feelings. Okay, there are some nouns which are represent some ideas and also tells the quality of things and feelings. So these nouns are called abstract noun. In simple words, we can say that there are such nouns which we cannot see, we cannot touch. Okay, we just can feel it. So these nouns are called abstract noun. For example, love. Students, we cannot see the love. What is love? How it looks like? Okay, we cannot tell us about the love. Okay, we can just feel it. Okay, we cannot touch it. We cannot see it. So we can only feel it. So this love is an abstract noun. Okay, for example, next word is hard work. Sorry, yes, hard working. Hard working is a quality. Okay, we cannot see it, we cannot touch it, we can just feel it. So it is abstract noun. Next word is victory. Next word is victory. What is the victory? Can you tell me? We can see it? No. We can touch it? No. We just feel it. Okay, so victory is an abstract noun. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Okay, for example, banana. Sorry. Banana. Banana is a name of fruit. Okay, we can see it and we can also touch it. So this is not an abstract noun. ओके, ये एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन नहीं है. हम इसे सी कर सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं हम. ओके, ये एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन नहीं है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल वाटर, पेपर. ओके, ऑल दीज आर द सॉल्ट, milk. These nouns are called these nouns are not abstract noun. Abstract noun are such there are some words, such nouns which we can only फील. ओके, जिनको हम सिर्फ फील कर सकते हैं. वी कैन नॉट टच इट, वी कैन नॉट सी इट, जिससे हम महसूस कर सकते हैं. दीज नाउन्स आर कॉल्ड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. सो दिस वॉज द होमवर्क. ये होमवर्क था आपके लिए. आई होप आपने इसे किया होगा. अगर आपने किया है तो आप इसे मैच कर लेंगे. अगर आपने नहीं किया है तो आप इसे अपनी बुक में करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन नंबर एच. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज गिवन टू यू, पेपर. स्टूडेंट्स, कैन यू टेल मी Paper can be seen? Yes. Paper can be touched? Yes. So this is not an abstract noun. Okay, so we will write here no. In the first we will write here no. Okay, paper is not an abstract noun. Now second is water. Students, can you tell me, can you see the water? Yes. Can you touch it? Yes. So this is not an abstract noun. Third one is love. Can you tell me, students, love is an abstract noun or not? Yes, abstract noun. Love is an abstract noun. So we write here yes. Fourth one is victory. Can you tell me, victory is an abstract noun? Yes. Why? Because we cannot see victory. We cannot touch victory. You just feel it. Fifth one is pain. Students, can you tell me, pain is abstract noun or not? Yes, we cannot see the pain. We cannot touch the pain. We can only feel the pain of other people. हम दूसरे लोगों के पेन को सिर्फ महसूस कर सकते हैं. So this is an abstract noun. So fifth one is also yes. First one is no, second one is no, third one is yes, fourth one is yes, and fifth one is yes. Now next is 6. 6 is success. Students, can you tell me, can you see the success? No. Can you touch it? No. So we can only feel the success. So success is an abstract noun. Seventh one is patience. Students, can you tell me patience? You can see the patience? No. Touch it? No. So we can just feel it. So patience is an abstract noun. Now last one is dust. Students, can you see the dust? Yes. Touch it? Yes. So this is an abstract noun? No, this is not an abstract noun. Okay. So that is the question number H. Now let's discuss about the countable noun and uncountable nouns. What are countable noun and what are uncountable nouns? So firstly one is countable noun and uncountable noun comes under the collective noun. I have taught you about the kinds of noun. Okay, मैंने आपको ये पढ़ाया and there are 5 kinds of noun. First one is proper noun, second one is common noun, third one is collective noun. Okay, in collective noun there are 2 types of nouns. First one is countable. Okay, and second one is uncountable. Okay, now fourth one is material noun and fifth one is abstract noun, which we have already taught in this chapter. Okay, what is countable noun and what is uncountable noun? Countable nouns are nouns such as letters, trains and guests which can be counted or called countable nouns. Okay, there are some nouns which can be counted, जिन्हें count किया जा सकता है, that are called countable nouns, and there are such nouns as silk and velvet we cannot be counted or called uncountable nouns. Okay, there are some nouns which can be counted, जो count किए जा सकते हैं, that are called काउंटेबल नाउन, और ऐसे जो काउंटेड नहीं है यानी जिन्हें काउंट नहीं किया जा सकता है, दैट आर कॉल्ड अनकाउंटेबल. ओके, दैट आर कॉल्ड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट मच, मैनी और एनी. वेयर डू वी यूज़ मच एंड वेयर डू यू यूज़ मैनी एंड वेयर डू वी यूज़ एनी. ओके, वी विल डिस्कस इट now. So where do we use much? Much is used to talk about the quantity or amount of uncountable nouns. Okay, where do we use much? Much का use कहाँ किया जाता है? Much is used to talk about the quantity. Just remember it, quantity और amount of uncountable noun. बेटा quantity होनी चाहिए और amount होना चाहिए और it will be uncountable noun. ये uncountable noun होना चाहिए, तभी वहाँ पे हम much का use करेंगे. Okay, now next one is many. Many shows a number of something and is used with countable nouns. जो many word है वो हम नंबर, जहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ समथिंग, किसी का नंबर दिया हुआ है, मीन्स काउंटिंग दी गई हो और जिन्हें हम काउंट कर सकते हो, और इज़ यूज्ड विद काउंटेबल नाउन, और वहाँ पे जो नाउन होना चाहिए वो काउंटेबल होना चाहिए, जिसे हम काउंट कर सकें. ओके, नाउ लास्ट वन इज एनी. एनी इज यूज्ड, can be used with both countable noun and also with the uncountable noun. So for example, you can take any train to Whitby. कोई भी ट्रेन आप ले सकती हैं, that is called countable. Okay, train can be countable. Now next one is there any milk? Milk is uncountable. Now you cannot count the milk. Okay, you just measure the quantity, you just measure the amount. Okay, so this is uncountable noun. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's move to the question number J. In the question number J, you have to fill in the blanks much, many or any. So first one is, the book contained blank surprises for Amabel. Okay, so the right answer is many. Why? Because you can count the surprise. Okay, surprise you can count it, so it is many. So we have used the many. So second one is, hurry up miss, we don't have blank time, said the porter. Okay, you can use here any word. Okay, now third one is, I don't like chips, they have to blank oil and salty. Okay, oil and salt are the uncountable nouns, so we have used the much. Do you have blank idea how long I have been waiting? Okay, so we have used the any word. Fifth one is, there are blank ways of solving this problem. Okay, ways can be counted, so we have used many word. Amita will believe blank story that you tell her. So Amita will believe any story that you tell her. So that is the question number I. Now moving to question number K. Your teacher will read out some sentences. Tick the words you hear from the pairs of homophones given below. Students, you have given some homophones, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, these are homophones. Are, there, here, side, eight, rights. Okay, what are homophones? Homophones are such words which प्रोड्यूस द सेम साउंड, जिनका सेम साउंड निकलता है, बट जिनको हम प्रोनाउंसिएट सेम करते हैं, बट इनका जो मीनिंग होता है और इनके स्पेलिंग जो होते हैं वो डिफरेंट होते हैं. दीज आर कॉल्ड होमोफोन्स. ओके, 6 क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन टू यू. फर्स्ट, दिस क्वेश्चन इज गिवन in at the last page of your book, and the page number is 117. Okay, at the last page of your book, this question is given at the last page of the book, and the chapter is, you can see on the screen, the aunt and Amabel. Okay, so I am reading these sentences. First sentence is, the train is already delayed by an hour. Okay, the train is already delayed by an hour. Students, you can see there is, in the first sentence, R, HOUR, R word is given. So which option is right? Which option is right? Yes, first HOUR is right. You will tick here. Okay, OUR, this R is not given to you in the first sentence. HOUR, this R is given to you, so we will tick on that word. Now second one is there and there. So firstly we will read the second sentence. What is the second sentence? The children open their bags together. The children opens their bag together. Students, you can see there, THEIR. You can see this word in the second sentence. So which option is right? Yes, THEIR. Okay, this first option is right. Now you can see the here and here. Okay, HERE, here, and HEAR. So firstly we will read the third sentence. What is the third sentence? Did you hear what I said? So you can see HEAR, this here word is given to you. So which option is right? The option number HEAR is right. Now fourth, you can see fourth sentence is the police found chemicals at the site of the explosion. Okay, you can see the word site, SITE, in the fourth sentence. So which option is right? So second option, SITE. This option is right. Now fifth, 8 and 8. What is the fifth sentence? We reached the restaurant at 8. Okay, 8 बजे हम पहुँचे थे. So which 8 is right? The second 8. Okay, second 8 is right. You will tick here. Now the next question, last one, is 6. Suchi writes for a wildlife magazine. Students, you can see WRITES. This right is given in the sixth sentence. So which option is right? The option number first, WRITES. You will tick here. Okay, now question number I. Look at the question number I. Question number I is HW. Okay, you will do it in your book. Question number I is HW to you. What is the question? There are 7 countable nouns and 7 uncountable nouns in this word search. Okay, one word search is given to you. Okay, there are 7 countable nouns. Okay, and also there are 7 uncountable nouns. Okay, in this word search, and you have to find all this 14 nouns in this word search. First has been done for you. Mud, MUD, mud has been done for you, and you have to find the another countable or uncountable nouns in this word search. For example, I have searched the bottle, BOTTLE, bottle. Okay, now you can see the tree. You can see TREE, tree. And also you can see MONEY, money. Okay, and snake, SNAKE, snake is given to you. Mountain is given to you. Okay, so you have to do it. The remaining you have to find the remaining countable uncountable noun at your home. Till then you will practice all the exercise which I had taught you today. We will meet soon. Thank you, students.